Sami Hamdi, let me bring you in here. You were detained in America by ICE officers for 2 weeks while on a speaking tour. They alleged that you supported terrorism and posed a threat to national security. They said, we said it before, we'll say it again, the United States has no obligation to host foreigners who support terrorism and actively undermine the safety of Americans. Now, you were later allowed to go back to the UK after 2 weeks. But what was your reaction to being barred entry and then being, well, allowed in, but being held in detention and then sent back?
Thank you very much, Piers, for having me. I think, to be honest, the climate in America at the time, you could almost sense that something was coming. My particular case slightly differs from Valentina in that, for me, it was a particularly targeted attack. There was a lady called Laura Loomer online who was going after those who were advocating for Palestine. So they went after American Muslims for Palestine in Michigan. The judge ruled in favor of the American Muslims for Palestine, American citizens. They went after them in Nevada. The judge ruled that they have freedom of speech. They went after Mehdi Hassan and his naturalization. They failed there. They went after Mahmoud Khalil and the green card, and they failed. The judge ruled that Mahmoud Khalil is allowed to stay. So they went after student visas, Rumaysa Ozturk and Muhsin Mahdawi in Colombia. They failed there. And then there was sort of, we need to find something because the judges are ruling against us. And a video appeared of me speaking in Kuala Lumpur, in which I was telling an audience that we should speak freely in these democracies, because with this freedom, as people are hearing the message, as they're hearing the message of the humanization of the Palestinians, people are changing their minds.